you know, there's so much benefit to having wild salmon in rivers. They're telling us something about the river, they're telling us something about the ocean and everything in between. You know, it's the indicator of the health of the river.
Je pense que ça prend absolument une volonté politique, une volonté à l'échelle mondiale, si on veut sauver l'espèce, parce que ça peut disparaître. Je pourrais te le dire en anglais, salmon is not a fish. C'est beaucoup plus que ça, beaucoup plus que ça.
C'est dur de savoir où commencer là, pour protéger cette espèce-là, mais je pense que chaque petite action est mieux qu'aucune action. Là.
You just need to understand that these fish, you know, that we catch, they're all going back into water, and if we don't take care of them properly, there's no real point in catching a fish and just leaving it there, right?
The way to go is together as a group, as a community of anglers who care for Atlantic salmon. Let's try to make the right decision for the survival of these fish. We are not hanging up our rods, and that we are doing everything we can